welcome back again to this channel, and for today's reaction video, marami tayong panonoorin. Lahat ng kaganapan, hindi naman lahat, but yung mga clips na nakita ko while they are in the US, and isama na rin natin dito yung performance fan cam nila sa Comic-Con ng A Parallel World. O, di ba mabubulat pa siya? Gusto ko rin panoorin yung mga short clips na kinuha from the Hollywood. Toroy! Hindi ko inaya. At may pa-interview rin sila sa Island News para sa kanilang Honolulu, Hawaii concert. So, anong uunahin natin dito? Short lang naman to, so ipagsama-sama ko na para hindi tayo nabibitin sa ating panonoorin. I think, unahin ko tong interview nila from the Island News. Filipino girl group BINI talks upcoming Honolulu concert on their Signals World Tour. So, let's do this. Let's go and watch this. Okay.
The popular Filipino girl group BINI.
Can we hear that again? A popular girl group. Can we hear that again? Let's
The
go.
popular Filipino girl group BINI. It is set to perform on Oahu next week. Next Saturday marks their first ever performance in the state as part of the Signals World Tour, celebrating their latest project.
Yeah.
BINI is coming off an impressive run. They're the first act from the Philippines to perform at Coachella, where they earned the most viewed Instagram performance by a female act.
Wow.
Island News got a chance to speak with the group. Here's what they had to say about, well, getting to perform in Hawaii.
Let's go.
Gonna be a memorable and meaningful trip for
BB.
us because it's everybody's first time. So we're so excited. We're filled with excitement, and we just can't wait for us to give them our fresh energy, and especially that there are a lot of Filipinos there. So we're just so excited.
Hey.
And you can head to our website to hit the link to purchase tickets. All you got to do, go to kitv.com/links.
Wow. Pre-note din ang concert. So, that's it for the short interview. Di ko kinaya yung BB. Typo lang. Pero, alam mo naman mga blooms. Nasunod din natin tong The Hollywood Pics. BINI, the Filipino girl group, exits Comic-Con in San Diego, California. Uy! May pa ganitong paparazzi tayo. So,
Sheena.
ganda. Kilala niyo si Sheena? Amazing. Taray! May pagganon si Hollywood Pics. Kinulan talaga yung pag-exit ng BINI. May nakita din ang clip nung pumapasok sila pero hindi ko na mahanap. Anyways. Panoorin na natin yung performance nila sa Comic-Con. Of course, this is so amazing. Hindi ko kinaya. Nasa Comic-Con sila. Proud of you, girls. Let's do this. Live na live. Ganda ng pasok ni Mika Lim dun. And I think this is the first performance. Complete performance ng A Parallel World. Kasi dun sa concert is chorus lang kinanta nila, and this is a full performance now. Taray! Nasa harap yung hambebe? Hindi. magkalinya rin pala ang Juliet. Woo! Let's go, Stacey. Tagalog yun, come on. O, diba? Dalaw sila ni Colette. Sarap pakinggan ng boses ni Maloy. Hey, I love it. Woo! That was Gwen. Backtrack talaga si Gwen eh. Lakas. Ang cute naman nila. Hey! I love that part. Woo! That's what I love. When they are perform, talagang ina-enjoy nila kapag nasa stage sila. Oh, I love that. I love them so much. Ow. Orham bebe. Yee. Oh, they're so cute. I love that. I love that. Thank you, Vinny. Wow. Ang saya panoorin na nagpe-perform sila sa global stage. Kung saan-saan na sila napupunta, kung saan-saan na sila nagpe-perform. Nakaka-proud, diba? So, I hope you enjoyed this. And to more performance nila during their world tour ang mapanood sana natin. So, yun lang. See you on my next reaction video, Blues. Bye!
Thought you were clear.